right, guys, we've got a couple of these I'm going to show you that we write in radical notation. So first of all, what you need to remember is that this fraction tells you the power over the root. Okay, so what I know from this is that this 2 tells me it's a square root. Okay, now we're not going to put a 2 because it's understood for a square root, but if we were going to put it, it would go right there. Okay, this 1 tells me the power or the exponent. So we put 121 under the radical, and you could put the 1 there, but 121 to the first is just 1, so it's just understood to be that. So really we just have square root of 121, which is 11. Okay, let's look at another one. 8 over 64 to the 2/3. All right, so before I do anything, you do have two options. You could go ahead and rewrite this, or I noticed that 8 over 64 were reduced. So I'm going to go ahead and reduce that to 1 over 8, and that's to the 2/3. Okay. Then again, we have the power. Okay, the 2 is your power, and the 3 is your root. So it's a cube root, so I'm going to go ahead and write that. And then we have 1/8, and the power is 2. So I'm going to take this whole thing and we're going to square it. Okay. So the next thing I'm going to do is focus on just the cube root of 1/8. So the cube root of 1 is just 1, and the cube root of 8 is 2. And then we still have that exponent where it's squared. So remember, you apply the exponent to both. So 1 squared is just 1, 2 squared is 4. So the whole thing just equals 1/4.